Welcome for today's class 7 mathematics chapter expression using letter numbers. Okay, Suman is 14 years old. You'll have to find her age after 5 years and 8 years. So here after 5 years, 8 years and X years. So you all can write down Suman's present age. Suman's present age is equal to 14 years. So Suman is 14 years old. Okay. You'll have to only find her age after 5 years. First you'll have to find her age after 5 years. Then after 8 years and after X years. So Suman's present age we know that it is 14 years. So her age after 5 years means what will be her age? We are solving for after 5 years. So her age after 5 years is equal to, it will be 14 years. 14 plus 5. Okay, 14 plus 5, which is equal to 19 years. Let us do the second part now. Her age after 8 years. Her age after 8 years is equal to 14 plus 8 is equal to 22 years. Third part is her age after X years. Her age after X years. So here it will be 14 plus X years. So what you'll have to do is present age plus after 8 years means plus 8 you'll have to add. You will get 22 years. Then her age after X years means 14 plus X years. Okay. So like this way you'll have to do. So I hope you'll have understood how to do this. If you have any doubts, queries related to this, you all can comment below in the comment section. So let me give you all the one more question. You all can try this. The breadth of a rectangle is 4 centimeter shorter than half of its length. So here you'll have to find the breadth of the rectangle when its length is 16 centimeter then 22 centimeter and y centimeter. Okay. So if you all have any doubts, queries related to this, you all can comment below in the comment section. Okay.